It doesn't seem very easy to maintain a slim waist. However, finding the right times that won't retain water weight, create bloating, or pack on the pounds seems hopeless when picking through the whirlpool of healthy drinks. With an ever-changing selection of beverages marketed as the next big thing at our fingertips, shifting through the nutritional fact from fiction makes every fitness goal possible and makes finding the most refined drinks for a flat stomach seem tricky. Be sure to watch the video in its entirety to find out what you should drink for a flat stomach. Losing belly fat isn't simple for most individuals wanting to lose weight, but it's also not impossible. You may eliminate harmful, visceral fat quickly if you use the appropriate tactics, which include leading a healthy lifestyle. While there is no magic bullet for losing belly fat, several natural methods can help you burn fat and reduce weight more quickly. Excess belly fat is more than just a fashion faux pas. It raises your risk of various major health problems, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, stroke, and some malignancies. Slimming down your stomach might help you feel and look better while decreasing your chance of acquiring several highly unpleasant health issues. This suggestion is for you if you're seeking to shed weight and obtain flat abs. This 5-ingredient drink, lemon, organic apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and water, can help you burn fat quicker by boosting digestion and metabolism. The buildup of toxins in the body can lead to extra belly fat. Additionally, ingesting meals and beverages that help clear body toxins and waste materials will assist you in losing weight. Choosing one of these beverages for a flat belly can help you maintain a tight waistline, whether you've just begun your diet or have years of experience. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea relaxes muscles, making it easier for food and gas to pass. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid with stomach problems. When you need to keep your stomach flat, peppermint tea can help you with most problems you might have daily. This drink is a winner on all fronts, with anti-inflammatory effects that will brighten anyone's day. Yogurt drinks. Your stomach will appreciate you for treating it to a bottle of Sig's, Lifeway, or another probiotic-infused yogurt drink on the market. Yogurt has probiotics, beneficial bacteria that fight off harmful bacteria, and active cultures that can help digestion, which is fantastic for reducing bloat and other gastrointestinal concerns. Include this drink in your regular meal regimen to maintain your flat tummy. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that includes probiotics and various species of lactic acid bacteria, which may have probiotic properties and help maintain a healthy gut. This nutritious beverage provides a refreshing bite that can be enjoyed on its own or as part of a meal, but it also offers several health advantages. So if you want to slim down your waistline, kombucha is the way to go, regardless of which brand you choose. Dandelion root tea. You may have noticed this tea at the supermarket and wondered what type of health advantages this enticing herbal blend may provide. You're in luck if you want to slim down your waistline. By promoting digestion and boosting blood flow to the stomach, this tea has been reported to aid in treating digestive disorders. Coconut water. Coconut water aids in fluid regulation and counteracts the effects of too much salt in the diet or the body. A prime bloating culprit. Everyone's favorite electrolyte replenisher now comes with a bonus. It helps keep your tummy taut and flat. Any variation of this drink with its ultra hydrating capabilities should be included in your diet, whether you need to rehydrate after the gym or want to shape up your core. Pineapple juice. Bromelain is a digestive enzyme found in pineapple. This can aid digestion by breaking down protein. The same tingling enzymes that make us feel good when we eat fresh pineapple can also help us keep bloat at bay and improve our regular digestive cycles. So don't take this juice for granted on your next supermarket run. Ginger tea. Everyone knows ginger ale may assist with an upset stomach, but the advantages now extend beyond calming your stomach while you're ill. Ginger tea has a relaxing impact on the stomach, reducing cramps, bloating, and indigestion, and encouraging stomach emptying. Opt for your favorite ginger tea to avoid bloating and pain when having stomach issues. Aloe vera drinks. Don't be put off by the thought of drinking aloe vera juice. This burn cure has several health advantages, and maintaining a trim waistline is a critical secret for anybody trying to improve their stomach region. Aloe vera is a plant that has laxative and anti-inflammatory qualities. This helps you stay regular, speed up your digestion, and reduce bloating. Green tea. A dose of green tea may do wonders for your health and digestion, whether you want to fill yourself with the antioxidants or relax with a hot mug of calming tea. Polyphenols, antioxidants, and catechins exist in green tea. In addition, it contains chemicals that can aid in relaxing the digestive system, speed up food digestion, and reduce bloating and gas. Reach for a cup of this hot bliss for your health the next time you need some aid digesting after supper. Kefir. Lactic acid bacteria found in fermented foods like kefir aid in the digestion of lactose, milk sugar, into lactic acid, reducing digestive discomfort in certain people. This Eastern European classic has remained popular for a reason. This creamy dairy beverage, high in probiotics, can help people lose weight by regulating their digestive tract and promoting smooth, flat stomachs. Water. With good reason, water is a wonder for everyone. It may fill you full without slowing you down, and the health advantages apply to everyone who wants to maintain a flat tummy. Water and other liquids aid in the digestion of meals so that nutrients may be absorbed. It also softens feces, which aids in constipation prevention. Iced black tea. Like other forms of tea made from the Camellia sinensis plant, black tea has been demonstrated to help with digestion, bloating, and stomach disturbances. There are so many iced teas on the market nowadays that deciding which one would benefit you the most appears difficult. Don't worry. As long as you enjoy this indulgence, you'll be able to maintain a flat waistline. If at all possible, avoid additional sugar. Your waistline will thank you. Lactose-free milk. Don't let all dairy products turn you off. Lactose-free milk can help prevent bloating caused by other dairy products, and it could be the key to a new beverage that can help you keep your figure in check. Lactose-free milk is made entirely of cow's milk and contains the enzyme lactase, which breaks down the lactose sugar in milk. This may benefit persons with lactose sensitivity who feel gas and bloating after drinking milk. Smoothies. Go for a well-balanced smoothie. The recipe is simple. Probiotics, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes equal a well-balanced smoothie. Choose a yogurt or kefir base for probiotics. To feed the probiotics, you'll need prebiotics. Adding a banana or an apple is an example. Don't forget about the digestive enzymes as well. These enzymes aid in the digestion of meals. Next time you need to maintain your waistline slim and tight, pineapples or papayas will do the work and provide the proper balance. Lemon honey water. Early in the morning, one from the old book, honey and lemon water will help you lose weight successfully. Lemon is high in antioxidants as well as vitamin C. This beverage also aids digestion and metabolism. Squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon into a glass of warm water and stir in a spoonful of organic honey, and your drink is ready. Cumin or jeera water. Cumin, also known as jeera, is a wonderful spice found in almost every Indian kitchen. Jeera-infused water aids weight loss by increasing metabolism and digestion. Suppose you're attempting to lose abdominal fat. This low-calorie beverage curbs your appetite and keeps you from overeating. Soak 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds in a glass of water overnight. Strain the water and consume it the following day on an empty stomach. Lemon ginger drink. These simple ingredients can keep you fit and healthy. Combine half of a freshly squeezed lemon with a knob of grated ginger into warm water and consume upon waking to take advantage of the slimming properties. Ginger is a natural detoxifier and helps to kickstart your metabolism. Blueberry carrot smoothie. 2 of the best antioxidants in one drink. There is no better way to start your day with fruits and vegetables containing vitamins and minerals that your body craves. Combine 1 cup of non-fat milk or yogurt in the blender along with half a cup frozen or fresh blueberries, 1 small peeled carrot, and 2 tablespoons of whole oats. Add 1 teaspoon of honey if desired. Blend until smooth and voila! Let us know your thoughts about these drinks in the comments.